Hey guys, so in social studies we have been talking about maps and how we use maps to find different places. We've talked about reading a map. So guys, one of the biggest things with learning how to read a map is understanding the directions. Okay, so understanding what we call the directions as in north, east, south, and west. Okay? So you have this handout in your packet. If you don't have the handout, that is okay. You can listen and pay attention, okay, and follow along. So understanding directions. This picture shows a globe. So here's the globe. If any of you have ever seen a globe, it is round and it is actually a map of the world. A globe is a model of Earth. A globe is the same shape as Earth, but much smaller. Read the labels on the globe. The North and South poles help you tell direction. Okay, so here's my North Pole, here's my South Pole. North is towards the North Pole. You can remember North as in North Pole. South is towards the South Pole. So South, South Pole. When you face north, east is to the right. West is to your left. Okay. So west is to your left and east is to your right. So if you're looking at north, east is on my right and west is on my left. So let's look at this picture down here at the bottom. This is called a compass rose. A compass rose is a symbol that shows the 4 main directions on a map. On a compass rose, the letters N, E, or N, S, E, W stand for the 4 directions. So this would be north, this would be south, this would be east, and this would be west. So let's kind of look at the bottom. Guys, it's very important that we know north, east, south, west. And we know that the east is on the right side and west is on the left side when you're looking at north. So when I was growing up and went to school, we had a small saying, and it was never eat sour watermelons. Okay, so never eat sour watermelons. Okay, so never was for N, eat was for E, east, sour was for south, and watermelons was for west. So I know that never eat sour watermelons. Okay, so that's just kind of like a saying to help you kind of figure out which way, especially since we always know that north is on the top and south is on the bottom of our globe. But sometimes we may get confused where east and west is at. Okay. Now, let's look at these questions down below. The most northern place on the globe is the North Pole. And your hint is northern. So north. It kind of has north in it. So that's not the word north. So the North Pole. The blank is the most southern place on the globe. That would be the South Pole. On a compass rose, the letter W stands for. What do you think the letter W stands for? West. And then the direction east is sometimes written as blank on a compass rose. So on a compass rose, they don't spell out the word east. They use the letter E. Alright, so guys, the main important thing to take away from this is that we have 4 main directions on a map, and that is north, south, east, west. Alright, guys.